All right, I just want to start out by saying congratulations for getting to the final activity. What we want to do now is take those final bits of testing, of assessment that we learned from our beta tester, whoever that was, or maybe those were those people that gave you some great feedback on your game. Take those ideas and apply them to the final build of your game. I want to make sure that you know that I am really proud of you getting all the way to this point. It is really exciting to see people engage in code and learn it. And I hope you really enjoyed your course through object-oriented programming. I really want to say thank you for your time and for putting all this effort in. And I hope you feel proud too that you have created a great project. Two things I would love for you to do at the end of this activity is go down to the Understanding Challenge, post your final build of your game, and then also fill out the short little section on how I could make this course better. I want to learn just as much as you about how to make better educational courses and educational experiences with code. And you can help me do that. And I want to say thank you once again for being a participant in this awesome course through object-oriented programming in Python. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again sometime in the future. This is DJ signing out.